The estimator is a tool that facilitates the creation of customized quotes for your customers. To access the estimate tool, click your nickname at the top right of the page to access the menu. Then select Estimator. The estimator is only accessible to users with permission to access it. On this page, you will see all the estimates that you have created. You can use the search bar to find a specific estimate or browse the list manually. If you need to view or modify an estimate, click it to access its details. If you want to create a new list, click New on the right side of the page. You can now add the name of this estimate, as well as the name of the customer and general information. Note that you can come back to edit or add this information if necessary. Once you have filled out the fields, click Save or Save and New to proceed with a new estimate. After creating your new estimates, you will be directed to the Estimate Detail page. The first tab, called Estimate Detail, allows you to add or edit general information, as well as where you will add items to the estimate. Some of this information, except for the amounts and the estimator name, can be populated from the estimator preferences when these have been pre-configured. The top part of the page will display general information, such as the customer email and information, conditions, and any comments you have added. The bottom part of the page will show you the elements included in the estimate. The product section of the estimator shows the catalog items that are included in the estimates. The estimator also allows you to add the labor costs and the number of hours of work estimated for the project. The Other Charges section allows you to add any other fees you need. You can also adjust the tax rates in the last section of the page. This section can also be pre-configured in the preferences and will be displayed at each new estimator creation. If you want to add an item to any of the estimate products, labor charges, or other charges sections, you must click the Add Line Items option at the top right of the tab. You can now select in which section you need to add an element. When adding a product, you can find a product by its manufacturer code, customer alias, or product code. Once you have entered the codes or aliases, click Next. A confirmation message will appear to confirm that the item has been added to the estimate. To add a line in the labor charges or the other charges sections, select the section and click Next. Note that you can only add 10 items in the other charges section. You can also insert a negative amount in this section. To edit a line, go to the appropriate section and click the pencil icon. Once you have edited a section, click the Save button that appeared under the corresponding section. Keep in mind that while the information is displayed on the page, it will not be saved in the estimate unless you saved each section individually. You can easily fill your cart with products from an estimate using the Convert to Cart option. Click the down arrow on the right side of the tab and select the Convert to Cart option. Note that this option will delete all other items from your cart. Once you convert your estimate to a cart, you can add new products to it, but if they were present at the time of conversion, they will be deleted. You can also send this estimate directly to your customer from the Estimate tool. Note that an email must be configured or entered in the estimator in order to send by email. A PDF version of the estimate will be automatically generated and linked to the email. You can also add other files manually. The second tab of the Estimate tool, Estimator Preference, is used to enter predefined information about your business unit. On this page, you can add your logo, the name and address of your company, your tax identification number and rates, your RBQ or provincial license number, and other types of information. Once these fields are defined, they will be saved as your standard information for each future estimate.